Right. So we are starting, and keep yourself on mute. Any questions, write in the chat box. And I already have received a lot of questions, which I'll be dealing them. Webinar. So here are there are questions. Okay, there are questions. Right. Okay. So we are discussing overseas career, and as you already know, my name is Ram Mohan Bhave, and I am discussing with you the सब लोग आगे वेरी गुड Ram Mohan Bhave, I hope you can hear me. Right? I hope I'm not on mute. I am on not on mute. Ram Mohan Bhave. My WhatsApp number is 9167446744. And my Facebook profile is Ram Mohan Bhave. But I have 8 profiles. So currently 9 profiles. So currently this is open. Roman 8, below 5,000. If you want to be my Facebook connection, be connected. Okay. Then we talk about my LinkedIn profile is Ram Mohan Bhave, and our website is rammohanbhave.com. And then there is a YouTube channel called Ram Mohan Bhave. And anytime you want to contact me, you are welcome to send me a WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the easiest mode for you to contact me. Okay. And I am putting all participants on mute. Okay, so I've done mute all. So I hope now you can hear me. Okay, how to do overseas career? Now, how do I get this idea of sharing this knowledge with you? Let me share with you my career. When I was in Blue Star, 1997, CA, CMA, CS, with how much? 80 to 2000. 15 years experience. And then suddenly a call came from America, and they said that, would you be interested in joining here? Now, Blue Star was a very reputed name, listed company. I said, what is the name of your company? They said, Foundation Software. Okay, Foundation Software. I said, what is this Foundation Software? Then I was called in SIBS, and I went to SIBS. And then they said that we have a software company, the position is in India, and then to be transferred to America, and you will be taken as a global CFO. So I joined this USA company, first in Andheri, and then went to USA, and sorry, admit, okay. And then we acquired the companies in Singapore, and we also acquired the companies in Australia. All right. So when we acquired the companies in Singapore and Australia, I had to travel there also. And in the process, I ended up in learning quite a lot. What did I learn? Simple thing. I learned finance, accounting, costing, and taxation of those three countries. So US had US GAAP. Then we had to do factoring and forfeiting. Okay. We had to do factoring and forfeiting. Then I also learned how to file tax returns in America. And since I was in a software company, I had never dealt with costing of software industry. So I learned in the process that also. So there were challenges, not that I didn't know. And when I went to Australia, one day suddenly my American finance manager told me that she is resigning. So then the owners, Chanderias, they said, please come down to America immediately. And that made my longest journey in my life, Sydney to New York. And that too by business class. Such a big journey by business class, frankly, I hardly had. And that was one of the unique, because there were no tickets available. And I had to go and take charge immediately. Then I had to borrow the funds in America and Singapore and Australia. So I visited all the bankers also there. So it gives you a different variety of experience. So 2000 to 2002 I worked. I created a global ESOP scheme also for the IT consultants. And then we had a Japan branch which needed a closer. So I closed that also. Now at a later date, then I had to travel to Croatia, then, but that I'll come to separate. Then what happened was I came back, joined Reliance. Then I later on joined some other companies, Gammon India. Through that, I went to Oman. So overall, I moved to 14 countries. And then finally, in 2007, I went to London and I joined Mittal Group. And here I worked for 2-3 years and came back. Got tired. So that time I went to Bulgaria, Serbia, Bosnia, Macedonia, Holland, Portugal, France, Austria. Okay. And all these gave me a feeling that for an Indian chartered accountant or an Indian accountant, professional accountant, nothing is difficult. So what it requires is hard work, ability to go into the details, and desire to get. And then of late, when I'm teaching IFRS to my students for last 10 years, they have been going to Dubai, they have been going to Canada, some of them went to Australia and New Zealand, and many of them went to Ireland, then what? Sweden, Scotland. Okay. So that is where I'm going to share with you what one needs to do. Now Keshav sir has also joined. He's from South Africa. He also has a lot of vacancies. So Keshavji, welcome. Keshavji is also a very senior person. Now I'm pleasantly surprised that he is here because he doesn't need my guidance. He knows more than me. All right. So the progressive countries like America, Canada, and Europe, of course, how can you say them progressive? Because now India is progressive. Because corona dates are very high elsewhere. And we don't have that much dates, fortunately. So I am going to share with you currently, because it's not that that time there was a demand in America, abhi hai kya nahi pata. But currently the hot on seat is Canada. Then Gulf. All right. And East Europe. Mind well, I'm talking about East Europe. So don't have the dreams of Sweden and Switzerland and Holland or Spain. Think of Germany, Japan, think of Bulgaria, Slovakia, and they are also good countries, honestly. You'll enjoy there. So what should be, you should be good at? Of course, now nobody would like to go to China. Otherwise, China wave was there at one time. But let us understand what should be our preparation in the majority cases. So one, we should be ready to take challenges. So we should not cry, oh, this offer came, how can I leave my parents here, or how can I leave my friends here? So if that is the emotional attachment, please don't plan overseas career. You will only be spoiling your name. Okay. Second, so you have to be dispassionate and unemotional. Okay? And accordingly, you will have to plan it. Then, secondly, you should be ready to learn the required languages, if any. Learn languages. Now, English, though, anyway we know, hopefully, because some of us don't know English also well, especially pronunciation. But otherwise, learn French. If you want to go to Canada, learn French. If you want to be in America, learn Spanish also. Spanish is a very highly spoken. And those days we were talking about Mandarin also. But if you are going to Germany or Japan, then learn German or Germany also. So the moment you learn these four languages, you have done one more preparation. So when I was in Bulgaria, I learned Bulgarian also. So today, fortunately, I am a Bulgarian knowledgeable person also. So at least apart from English, you must learn, especially youngsters, at least one foreign language. So ready to take challenge, ready to go overseas. Then ready to learn some foreign languages. And don't say I don't know something. Don't say I have never done this thing. Say that Google is there. I can find out anything and everything. Then create your LinkedIn connections. LinkedIn connection. Out of my 60,000 connections, at least 10,000 connections are not in India, overseas connections. So when can you make your connections overseas? Don't go to the fake profiles in foreign countries and you find some Russian military girl sending you invitation. Just ignore it. Whom all you will go for? Take the connections who are Indian names in foreign countries. Which are the Indian names in foreign countries? Common names you will get are Patel. Right? USA is full of Patels. And many of the Patel, we know Patels for Patel Motel Hotel. But Patels are also there in industry, even in IT sector. And I had too many friends like that. Then Shah. So these two names you will find a huge number, whether it is Singapore or London or America. So also Canada. Now these Guju friends are very friendly. A lot of my Guju friends khilao me the dal dhokli also. So that is not a problem. They are very friendly. They will help you out. And particularly, we find about Indians that they don't help you in India, but they help you in other countries. So that's a very funny thing. But you will have to take advantage of that and make friendship. So have LinkedIn connections with Indians. Then next is find out the list of entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs. Okay. Entrepreneurs in those countries. Which entrepreneurs who are having names Indians? There is a guy called Deshpande who has started a software company. Then there are Chanderiyas who have huge number of ventures. I'm talking about America, Singapore, Australia, and Canada to start with. Then you find that there are in Sydney, I found that there is a lady called Nargis. She helps all Indians. Then we found that some of the Deloitte's employees from India have joined the Deloitte's Auckland. So create, big fours have a good culture. So you can find out, have friends in Indian big fours, and from there get the links for big fours in those countries. You can get it. and find Indian names. So how I found Mittal's name and decided to apply there. That's how you should. So employee referral and Indian entrepreneurs are some of the easiest way to go overseas. Okay. And if you consciously ensure that you are in touch with them, there are a lot of Sardarjis in London who also have jobs. In fact, one of my student, Vidhi Desai, you must have seen her interview. She had joined London. She's CA Inter and Diploma in IFRS. She joined at a salary of £22,000. Okay. Fresher CA Inter, no job experience, and CA final failed, and DIP IFRS done. But her IFRS knowledge was superlative. She gave a very strong interview. For the last 2 years, she is there. Then Ravichandran. Ravichandran was a Union Bank manager, and he went to Ireland and did very well. Rajiv Raman. Shubha might be there here. She is in Dubai. Namrata Gandhi, Richa Srivastav, they have all gone to Canada. Kushal Dagli, he has gone to USA. So now let us discuss which qualifications will help you to go to these countries. USA, a lot of people feel CPA will help, but no, actually your masters will help. MBA. CPA hardly helps. So USA vacancies, I am not saying there are many, but suppose you are a girl and married to a software engineer who is already in America, I am sure CPA may not help you much, but MBA will help you, and MBA from there. Then Canada. Canada is currently the best choice. Go there, and if anybody needs a help, first do with PR and ensure that your score matches. And right now, what are you doing? You're free in the lockdown. So you have a lot of time to try all these PR efforts, learn some foreign language, complete your French language, which increases your marks, take some additional qualifications. Well, ACCA is in big demand there. Otherwise, do CPA Canada. Start the studies, CPA Canada. Keep a goal, start CPA Canada. That is perhaps one of the best options. Then let's talk about Europe. In Europe, you should try Croatia. I had been to Croatia. Try Bulgaria. Try Holland. Holland is a tax haven country, tax friendly country. So there you will get. Then try Ireland. London, there are problems. Scotland. Now post-corona, what situations will change is a separate issue. This is an experience pre-corona. Okay. So Croatia, Bulgaria, Holland, Ireland, Scotland, you can if you give a country search on LinkedIn, you will find the names there. And those people will certainly help you out if there are Indians. Then let us talk about Australia and New Zealand. Australia and New Zealand. Now here, actually your scope lies in Big Fours, if you are already here in Big Four. And second, your scope lies in pharma companies. But again, these are countries where you will have to have your saga bhai or friend who will allow you to stay at a lower cost for at least 6 months. Then is CPA also useful? Question mark. Not necessary. Again, you have MBA or Masters of Management. That really helps you. Whatever some of my friends, relatives, whosoever have got, they have got. A good news I'll give you. I have students in all these countries, and therefore the WhatsApp groups of my Canada students, of my USA students, of my Dubai students, of my Australia students, of my London students, of my Singapore students. Also has demand. Some people have gone to Malaysia and Finland also. But if I have to give a ranking, Canada, Gulf, and East. Now, on one hand, people say Gulf, especially Dubai, has a lot of recession going on. So, how do you go about it? So, let me tell you that we will have to be internationally expert. So, CPA Canada, ACCA, these are literally compulsory degrees if you have any needs. Because, and the foreign languages. Okay. Qualification for take your questions later. Now let me go to the questions which are received in advance. Okay, received in advance. So where is that one? Where are your queries? What are Google form? Google form. Google form. Yeah. Yeah. So Akshay is asking a question where to find assignments for accounts outsourcing from overseas. The answer is LinkedIn. Answer is simple. LinkedIn. Have you projected yourself that you do assign accounting assignments? And then does your profile show it? Your profile has to be powerful there. Then Rushi Raj Singh is asking, any specific tip for moving to Dubai? Have 17 years of experience. Now Rushiraj Singh, 17 years where it matters. Where, in which city, which country, which organization. So yours is a specific case will need specific tip. But the point is, are you ACCA? What is your qualification? Do you know IFRS? These questions will matter. We have Rajiv Raman. He is doing an excellent career in Dubai. Then I come to Jagruti Seth. My experience is more than 22 years looking for opportunities in Canada. Yes, so start learning French, Jagruti, and also start learning CPA Canada and apply for PR. And beyond this, you can contact me. We can discuss. Amit Shah, he is age 39 years, suitable for overseas career for CA in country like Canada. Why not? Why not? I went to London at the age of what? I am born in 57 and I went to London in 2007. So 50 years. At the age of 50, I went there. So you are young, my dear Amit Shah, you are young. Mayank, what are the freelancing overseas opportunities for chartered accountants in India? Mayank, your opportunities of freelancing mainly in Gulf. Mainly in Gulf. Right? And there you will get a job like overseas or Dubai-like places, people are doing VAT. Then any age bar for women to go for international jobs. Which country are safe for women? Canada. Canada is safe for women and most economical. Europe is partly safe for some of the countries. Austria is not. Then career growth as a US CPA outside India, 0 and down. You'll get some growth, nothing great. CPA, I don't know why people do. Okay, because American CPAs are so much already, so that doesn't help you. CPA, I don't have any great experience about CPA people getting growth. If you find somebody doing well, it's a separate issue. The only people who should do CPA, according to me, one whose girls whose husbands, they get husbands from USA, they are going to be kept. But वो करके भी उनको job नहीं मिलेगा. And second, if you are in Big Four India, then you can be doing CPA and go to Big Four USA transfer. Big Four USA transfer. Barring these two cases, I have not heard of any great cases about USA vacancies. How to enrich ourselves if we are practicing in a small cities like Nagpur? What is the impact of COVID in Sindhurkar sir? Today's lecture is on overseas career for chartered accountant. So I cannot talk about Nagpur. And nowadays, enriching yourself, you should do Coursera, say courses. Everything is internet driven. So Nagpur is not small city. But even if you say it's not as big as Mumbai, you can do knowledge addition by online courses. What is the impact of COVID in valuation profession? Everybody is going to have trouble. We will also have trouble. How to seize opportunities in outsourcing work in accounting. Networking, building networking. How many overseas connections you have in LinkedIn? Do you have Oman, Dubai, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Nigeria connections of purpose? If not, create them. How to get freelancing working from across different geographies? I told you this. LinkedIn networking. Have a premium account if required. How will it be helpful for a CA around 25 years of experience? I went at the age of 30 years of experience. So, how does it help? It gives you global exposure. It gives you money in dollars. So it will be helpful in that form. How to do outsourcing work? I already answered.
So there
Many
is music
professions
playing
act
in
as
the
a
background.
freelancer group. How to suffice that? I have not understood your question, Pawan. Rina Poddar. How to build teaching career for overseas students? Rina, what you do is you contact me separately because Indian currency is weak. So you can teach them. Now, what to teach them? What they need? Do you know what they need? Then you will know what they. Then how to get entry overseas? First, do foreign languages. Second, be ready to take challenge. And third, ensure that you have what should I say? You have the advantage of contacting Indian entrepreneurs, like I contacted Mittals. All right. So here I have finished the questions. All right. So I'm coming to now the questions asked in the chat mode. Chat mode mein I am seeing 24 queries already. Sandeep is
Please
asking
mute
to
Siva.
recommend PR through my immigration service agencies in India. Some are good, some are fake. So if you know any immigration agencies, then ensure that they are cross-checked for references. If you need any help, let me know. So do you recommend PR through immigration service agencies in India? Answer is yes. Most of them are doing like that. Qualification for European countries, ACCA. I cannot say anything more loudly than this. Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. And to start with, diploma in IFRS. For Germany, which qualification is necessary? Any qualification is fine, like ACCA primarily, but you should know German language. Please guide on age restriction. No age restriction. No age restriction, provided your current experience is of a CFO level, then you can go at the age of 50 also. So there's no age restriction. Are you in demand? And do you have touch with the Indian entrepreneurs in those countries? Simple. Two simple things. How to extract, don't say extract, how to get outsourcing work. Website, sources, yes, LinkedIn. My answer is LinkedIn. Mithun is CA, deep for CFA level 2, 10 years experience in corporate, Canada or Australia or any other. I didn't understand question, Mithun. Okay. Gwen, let me go to the next question. Music is playing in background. I can't help. The people are irresponsible. I cannot be spending time on this. Sir, Canada graduated pupils also not getting job for 8 months. Now, if you have any such case, they are getting the job, not getting job where? In Canada or in India? Because even UK graduated people are also not getting the job in India. So Canada graduation, who send them for graduation? I don't understand. Why should you send them for graduation there? Okay. I again muted all. So hopefully, then Jagruti, you write to me separately. You know me anyway. Okay. iPhone is saying I'm working in Big Four currently. It has been just a year and a half post qualification. I want to shift to Australia. I've completed deep IFRS. Should I actually go for ACCA? You mentioned in your management course, which management course will help? MBA in supply chain management in Australia. ACCA has no use in Australia. CPA Australia hardly gets you a job in Australia. Romil, I have made everybody mute, not an issue. Sir, can you share views if I want to shift company to equity analyst or fund manager at mutual funds in India or foreign countries? Having experience in banking field as of now. Are you a CA? I presume you are a CA. Do you have experience in equity analysis and fund manager of mutual fund? If yes, you have chance. If no, you don't have chance. Jagruti, क्या लिखा है आपने Canada? Send me their CVs. The people who are graduated in Canada and not getting it, please send me their CVs. Okay, then I can try to do something. Real estate investment in India, how we can contact positive. This session is not real estate and all that. Saidatta, I think you are not aware what this session is going on for. You perhaps have joined the wrong session. I am practicing CA. Do I have scope overseas in job market? Practicing for how many years? If you are in first few years, yes. If you are already 10 years plus, 8 years plus, well, you will start with ABCD. If your practice is good, then there is no point. You will earn very less. But if your practice is not so great, then you will earn still better in overseas market. You should know consolidation. One of our student, Rajiv, he knows consolidation. Is it good to do master's course in Scotland? No, it is useless. There are many guys who did a master's course in Scotland and got fuss out. They have come back to India. They neither get a job there. They are neither getting job here. Okay. I'm CA deep IFRS CFA level pass candidate. I want to shift to UK Holland. Not able to get job directly. So should I do masters? No. Do ACCA. There is some chance. And find Indian entrepreneurs there and write to them. Is it the correct time to go ahead with the IELTS? Yes, certainly. Yes. Big Four experience, your big advantage. No doubt about it. All right. Who is this? Mo. Pata nahi kaun hai. Yes. So I have answered all the queries so far. So anybody has a query, please write down. Please write down right now. Okay. So while you are writing the queries, in the meantime, I will make some. Is it good to do MBA from a big college like London School of Business instead of masters? See, what has happened is that the London School of Business does it allow you OPT, optional practical training? If they are there, then you should do it. To my knowledge, it is not there. Because if they don't give an opportunity to do OPT, optional practical training, you will be in trouble after doing. There are many MBA from UK who have come back from UK and then they are crying and they're saying, what do I do? I've spent a lot of money. And then I say, okay, if you have spent a lot of money, what do you do? And they have joined shared services. They have joined shared services. You know, shared services means KPO. Okay, then let me take further questions. London School is fine. London School of Business, does it allow you OPT? Check करो, मेरे ख्याल से नहीं है. Then somebody is asking, privately mat likho. I am not going to reply because others do not understand. Privately queries will not be replied. Sir, what additional qualification will suggest for overseas opportunity for India CMA? Currently, I am preparing for DIP IFRS. I told you, sitting here ACCA, Canada जाना है CPA Canada. All other cases in Canada or in Australia, MBA from that country. Spend huge money. So the best chance lies in either Canada or Gulf. Qatar has a lot of vacancies. I'm a chartered accountant qualified in first attempt, very good. I have a bachelor of degree in commerce with 12 years rich experience in finance, account, APA, controllership, reporting, blah, blah, blah. I'm trying to get job overseas, but without any success. Now, if you're not getting a job, then send me your CV. The flaw lies in your CV, perhaps. Okay. Because if you have a rich experience, then I'm sure you know IFRS. I will take your mock interview on IFRS and US GAAP. If you succeed, then I'll tell you the methods. Rina P. I don't know who's Rina. I wish to make a part-time career in teaching overseas online being India. I have 10 years experience in tax in Big Four. I am CA and CPA. Start teaching US GAAP. Start teaching US GAAP. Contact me for guidance. Okay, for detailed guidance. I don't know. It's mine. He doesn't have a name. I don't know if you answered it already, but my question is getting freelance work in India from country. I know zero MYOB. This question 20 people have asked. Does practice in India count as experience overseas employment? No. No. Zero. Zero value. Because generally the Indian practice is not the audit of listed companies, not the audit under Ind AS for big groups. Most of us will have some income tax or GST or dormant companies return filing. Forget it. And that too, we get it done from articles and those form gets hanged. CA with 3 years experience in corporate, and since he is working in mid-level CA firm preparing for DIP IFRS, want to join Big Four. CA final in how many attempts? Umesh, that's what matters. If your CA final is in 3-4 attempts, then there is a chance. Otherwise, Big Fours are very fussy. Sir, being a recently qualified CA, suggest courses in the current situation to get age. ACCA and CPA Canada. You are young. Are you below 25? Then do both. Then do both. Ravi is asking same question again. So CPA Canada is not possible from India. That's right. Therefore, you have to do ACCA currently. There's no other chance. Okay. Then how can an Indian practicing chartered accountant have freelancing outsource? अरे ये कितने बार हो गया सतीश? हर एक जन वही पूछ रहा है. नेटवर्किंग कम है सबका, इसका मतलब नेटवर्किंग करो. I have 12 years experience in Big Four plus Pharma plus CFO. I am a FCA, DISA, insolvency profession, registered valuer. Started practice recently, pursuing DIP IFRS. Which country will be good for this experience? Canada. Currently, the best choice is Canada. Second best choice is Gulf. Gulf may try Qatar and Dubai after Corona. How to start teaching US GAAP? From where to start? From where to start means? Start from your computer. From where to start मतलब क्या है? Rina, where to start means what? Rina, please contact me on WhatsApp. From where to start means what? I don't know. Radha is saying, I'm a CA and IFRS qualified, looking for work from home. Can I get some advice? You can get the work from home, but send me your CV on WhatsApp. I gave my number. My number is here, 9167446744. So you can get work from home because there are outsourced assignments coming in. But all said and done, it depends upon your age, your personal responsibilities, how many hours you can keep studying per day, how much is your real IFRS knowledge, and how much money you're looking for. Because home work means less money, let's be CA. Which is better to do ACCA, clear cut. US CPA, there are so many Americans who are CPAs, so there is no demand for US CPA. Unless you are in Big Four, working in India, and can get a transfer to USA to that Big Four, then yes. Other than that, ACCA. I spoke to a few people in UK and they are applying for a GIN there. What is GIN? They advised me to do masters there so that the companies do not face the issue of visa sponsorship. 1 minute. What is it saying? Let me see. Visa sponsorship. That is one way to get the job. Okay, get it. Yes, if you are getting it, good. See, क्या होता है ना कि those people, are they your bhai, brother, friend who can ensure that you are pampered for or taken care for those period of work? France post-corona, we don't know, because France at one time was a great country. Now it is. Anything to look for in East Africa? Yes. Contact Keshav Kulkarni. Okay. Radha, you are from which city? Any opportunity in United Nations? What is United Nations? Okay. So some questions are not understood. What is meant by United Nations? I don't know this. I mean, there is a list of 205 countries, but I never heard United Nations. Okay. Now let me some Vashisht. Then ACCA versus CIMA, ACCA, CGMA. अरे यार CMA इंडिया का प्रॉब्लम क्या है पता है? CMA India, what age? Mr. GANE, what age are you talking about? Mr. G.A.N.E., whatever is his name. Ganesh over here. Ganesh, what is your age? Please reply in chat mode. What is your age? Then I can reply you properly. If you are below 30, then do ACCA. If you are above 40 and you are deputy CFO or near CFO or CFO, then do CIMA. CGMA, I don't know much. United Nations is as in US. I don't understand. Yes. Ganesh, are you CFO or deputy CFO? Yes, you contact me separately. Yaar. I don't understand what you're talking. Okay. I ignore the questions which are confusing. मुझे पता नहीं है यश, आप कुछ भी लिखोगे. कंट्री का नाम बोलो, सीधा बात करो, घुमा घुमा के बात मत करो. And if you're talking about United Nations Organization, then you should go to their website and see if there are jobs. I have not heard anybody. Okay. There are people who have World Bank experience or this experience, that experience. Or if you are a State Bank manager, then you get in such countries. Ganesh, have you reached CFO or deputy CFO position now? Then do CIMA. Otherwise, do ACCA. Okay. Right. Any other questions? Any other questions? Ask quickly. Otherwise, I am going to the little bit elaboration. Okay. The terms which you should know of. Have you heard of a term called forfeiting? Then have you heard something like NGT, Global Trust? Do you know what is meant by consolidation and can you do it? Do you know US GAAP? Do you know IFRS? Then do you have idea about, what should I say? A Big Brother case studies. So for example, you're going to, let's say, Canada or you're going to USA. Do you know General Motors? Do you know GE? You should have the idea of that. Now, if you are going to software sector, do you at least know SAP? I'm not saying SAP technical programming, but the meaning of SAP and how the report generation is done. Otherwise, software companies, how will they take you? They will not. Then do you know ESOP schemes if you're going to the software company? Can you draft a ESOP scheme? If you are going to Europe, okay, funnily, if you are going to Europe, then you must know in-depth accounting. I'll tell you, one of the students went to Scotland and he was asking that what is the entry for insurance claim received, and he could not answer. Or he was asked a question that if there is a investment in equity and you decide to value it at fair value, how will you treat it? Then somebody is saying so and so, so and so, so and so, so and so. See, if you are, Sandeep, if you are forced to go there, okay, then you should agree at around 18 lakhs. But if you are not forced to go, then don't agree below 25. Because otherwise, there is no advantage of going unless you are getting 2.5 times what you are getting here. Okay. And if you are talking about saving potential 2 times and salary plus reimbursement 2.5 times. Okay. So I'm happy that today there were more than 73 people, and do keep in touch. You have got my details. I'll again write for you. If there is any more questions, please ask. But I am coming out of work in 7 countries, at least 4 countries, quite a lot. USA, Singapore, Australia, and Bulgaria, and London, 5 countries. and visited Oman, Qatar, Dubai, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Japan, Croatia, Holland, Portugal, Austria, etc. etc. Then Singapore I told you, Thailand, and these are all work related. I did some person related these things, but mainly work related. So overseas careers, one of the biggest advantages after you do 3 years overseas career, you can afford a house in Mumbai. Afford a house in Mumbai. Otherwise, your whole life goes in repaying the home loan installments of a Mumbai house. Or you go to some Vasai, Virar or Ambernath. Okay. So that is where one of the big advantage of going short term at least out of India is in a financial capital like Mumbai, you can afford to have a office. Sorry, home. Reasonably good home. Anyway, in Mumbai you can't expect palaces. Okay. What is the future prospect for big data analysis, blockchain? Huge, huge. I am sure you have gone to rammohanbhave.com, Davinder, and you have seen the first May presentation we did. Abroad, huge prospects, huge prospects. You just see LinkedIn connections, give a search on artificial intelligence. The number of CVs you will get from overseas of the Indians who are doing well are quite a lot, including CAs, particularly Canada. So don't underestimate CAs. I would say CA is the strongest degree of India. Okay. Because we have gone through tough times. But क्या होता है ना, with the result we have become complacent. We should be ready to take challenges for future also. Then you can be having a, because what are the speciality of overseas career? One, I'll tell you some of the things. You cannot be laid back. You cannot talk casually. Okay. Don't say, oh, I'll give you by end of the day and not to give. Then you cannot commit errors. Okay. You have to be 100% good at spell check. The other day somebody said that I want to do a career in Canada. I said your wording itself is so horrible. You are meaning career, C-A-R-E-E-R. So if you have such a kind of horrible English, better forget it. Harish Khandelwal, do ACCA. I can tell you only do ACCA because now you won't be able to do CA. And CA is anyway, you know, May ke baad November, November ke baad May. Lot of people have problems. Coding करने का जरूरत नहीं है अंकित. You should know how to see the analytical aspects of same. In fact, we are arranging one more profile on this, webinar on this, wherein we have got one Canadian expert on blockchain. So she will give a lecture on this. Okay. Sir, I had a strong desire for overseas, but my current PSU job stuck me to a lot of extent. कुछ नहीं दविंदर जी, सुखी रहो. Sukha is more important. Money is not important. And PSU जैसा सुखी आदमी कहाँ हो सकता है? Be happy. Okay. Tarun, don't write questions privately. Write publicly. All right, we are left with 4 minutes. Any questions, ask quickly. But, Arey Rina, you send me WhatsApp because what is the first step? Use your computer and start teaching. Up again, push rahe ho, any guidance on first step. Can a course in blockchain technology help outside? Yes, certainly. Certainly. Do the courses on all these A, B, C, D, R. Artificial intelligence, blockchain, big data, cryptocurrency, cloud computing, digitization, drone, robotics, IoT, IIoT. Okay. I've been talking about ABCDRI. I learned this in Qatar recently. तरुण क्या लिख रहा है? Qualified CA and CISA certification. CISA people do it when they want to do practice. When do they want to do the practice? They do CISA. Because the bank's audit you get only when you are done CISA. Yash Rathod, go to the website, YouTube channel called Ram Mohan Bhave. And there you'll get the long forms of this. Look into my 1st May 2020 webinar conducted. You can read all those things. Where do we do all these courses? Coursera. Coursera. Coursera is the best. And some others like Coursera. There is Unacademy. Yeah, Udemy. Yeah. Coursera, Udemy. These are the best places. And there are links available easily. And they are free if you don't want a printed certificate. Otherwise, they are somewhat costly. But abhi free to pehle kar lo. Knowledge badhao. Knowledge is a big power. I can tell you that. In my time, somebody doing all triple qualifications, CA, ICAA, CS was supposed to be great. So I did that. In my time, there was no global career. There was no big force. There were no shared services. There were no KPOs. There were no bank jobs. So we had to work in industry. But you are lucky, you can go everywhere. It took me 15 to 20 years to go out of India. You people can go in beginning itself, or at least in the first 5 years itself. All right. So last few queries, if anybody wants to write. Otherwise, thank you for a grand attendance. I think today our attendance is because a lot of people are interested in overseas. That's the attraction. I hope I could fulfill your expectation in terms of answering your questions. Should you have any questions, you have my number WhatsApp. Send me WhatsApp on 9167446744. And you know, I did a wonderful career overseas. I would like all of you to do wonders similarly. So Vaidehi and Kaveri, please record this and put on YouTube for the friends who have missed it. I hope we had a good registration today. The next program comes tomorrow again. You can register yourself. My people would already send you if you are in the WhatsApp group. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody.